Quite frankly, guys, fuck your 9-to-5 job, fuck your dropshipping store, fuck all of the business models that you've tried for 90 days and have had no success, and most importantly, fuck your meme coin investments. Instead, get rich online making Fortnite maps. Because if you guys are looking at my screen, as you guys can see, this game has amassed a player count of 12,000 players, and it's made a grand total of $303,000 within just the span of a couple months. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary fundamental steps and requirements you guys need to successfully start making Fortnite maps as a beginner and make money online. It does not matter what stage you guys are at. This video is going to sincerely help you. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Davis. Essentially, I motivate and inspire others and make people more money online making Fortnite maps. I'm literally the only person in the entirety of the space here to educate you and get you started. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first step to successfully get started online making Fortnite maps, you guys need to be using the software called Versify. It literally drops on the 20th December, Friday, at the time of you're watching this video. Pretty much it's an AI software specifically designed for verse code, which will literally make your games out of thin air. It's pretty much a no-brainer, and it's in the link in the description. After that, you guys want to go ahead and download the Epic Games launcher. This is how you actually run UEFN and actually start making money online making Fortnite maps. It may sound complex at the start, but as you get the hang of it within this video, you're going to see that this stuff is pretty easy, and these guys are making millions of dollars by literally doing nothing. So as soon as you guys have signed up for Versify and downloaded the Unreal Engine, I'm going to playtest and show you guys in-depth analysis of what these games are actually standing for and how they're actually making so much money online. Because we look at these games and we're like, okay, the pillars. This game has made over $500,000 in literally just a span of 3 months. How is this possible? Well, that's why I want to show you guys exactly what they're doing, so you guys can literally just copy and paste this game and make money yourself. All right, guys, so we're inside of Fortnite. I'm going to load up the pillars and show you guys exactly what they're doing to make money online. So all we have to do is go to the top left and search up PILLERS. And as you can see, we are loading up the island. We're going to go ahead and play this and put it onto private to show you guys an in-depth breakdown of what they're actually doing. Let's get right into it. All right, so we're inside of the pillars right now. As you guys can see, 100% pure visual stimulation. We have a shop here where we can buy custom pillars. We have free XP here that gives us millions of XP, like a fake XP glitch like they always are. And we have platforms that we can buy. We have the leaderboard, the like and favorite. Now when the game starts, we have a ranked icon at the bottom left here. So the game has started. As you can see, we have millions and millions of people playing this game right now. And that's why it's making so much money. So even if we come across here, so if you guys look at my screen here, these custom cloaks and stuff that you can buy are perfect indications of what you guys need to be having inside of your games, because you need to have things that are vibrant and colorful. So in terms of the UI, everything is pretty cool. We have a custom code here. Guys, if you didn't know, you guys want to be putting custom codes inside of your games. And the reason why is because you can make TikToks about it, which will not only engage the customer and the viewer, because if you guys press here, we have a custom dilation here. Honestly, I don't know what the code is. Maybe it's 999. It looks like that was not the code. Maybe it was. RIP Juice WRLD. So we're about to go inside of the game and show you what's actually at stake here. All right, so we have all of these people here. We're about to load inside of the game in exactly a few seconds. All right, so we are inside of the game right now. We are on this tiny object. How the hell am I going to get across here? I have no clue how I'm going to get across here, but as you guys can see, the objective of this game is to get on side of the platforms. So it looks like I cannot get over there for some reason, which is a little goofy. So clearly I just died, but let me show you the premise of this game while we're spectating, okay? So the objective is that it's close quarter in combat, and the reason why it's like that is so it's very stimulating for the players. The simplicity is what sells in everything, just like the thumbnail that made you click on this video. It's very convoluted, it was very simplistic, it was very special. Why does this guy have a skibbity toilet back bling? But obviously, this is what's bringing in the majority of the players. So you guys may be thinking throughout the watching of this video, all I need is a good game and I'll get a lot of players. No, you need to have good marketing, which is why the creator of the actual pillars has 1 million followers on YouTube, because he used to make content around challenges and dopaminic stuff, okay? So when you have skills in one thing, obviously we know that it compounds. As you guys can see, he has millions of views, and this game is going to make millions of dollars. Why is that? What are people doing to promote their games? What can you do to help yourself promote the game? Because I know that you struggle. Well, let me show you this. If you guys go ahead onto TikTok and you guys go ahead and go into my Discord, which is in the link in the description, thousands of people are marketing and promote their games. This is not a promotion, but this is an effective strategy to gain the algorithm's trust and make more money online, because when you're just starting out, you have no resources. You don't have a following. You don't know what the hell you're doing. You don't know how to get good ideas. You're struggling. My server provides an easy and fixed solution, and as well, TikTok does as well. If you guys are looking at my screen here, this is how people are promoting their games. This video has millions of views. He's rocking the 99 Juice WRLD skin. Legends never die. But as you guys can see, obviously, he gets the Renegade Raider skin as he actually locks and gets a gift, which is kind of funny because that's actually not accurate or true. So an even better solution to this, because obviously I don't want you guys making fake videos because you're manipulating kids, and that's not even going to work. You're never going to get the audience and algorithm if you're not making legitimate videos. Obviously, you see these guys getting millions of views, millions of likes, whatever, right? But like, that does not equate to always players, because people actually know the BS behind the scenes now. Like, if you guys look here, Sigma Boy, this guy's mogging with the Peter McGriffin skin or whatever that skin is. This is not how you want to be doing it. All these skins are going to be coming back eventually. Renegade Raider is literally coming into the shop tonight. It may already be inside of the shop, but let me show you guys an easy solution to make AI videos for you promoting your game. So if you guys go ahead and search up on Google AI Fortnite video generator, click the first hyperlink that you see above here, you're going to see realistic video maker. This is made by Reddermit AI, and obviously you're going to have to sign up for it, but this is a full-on AI software to create AI content for your promotion of videos, because you don't want to be making fake videos. So you guys can go ahead and press launch app at the very top here, and you guys can go ahead and log in. Once you guys are logged in, you're going to see a plethora of women and men. These are pretty much AI avatars for your creation. Because if you guys are looking at these videos, there's literally no one ever talking over it. Like, you guys need content like this, where there's actually someone talking over the content. Like, you need something like where there's a guy at the top here. And this is what you can do with your videos. So you still may have to edit some videos, but you can have a fake AI person, and these look very, very real. If you ask me, this looks like a Giga Chad. This looks like a hot blonde woman. That is just my personal opinion, okay? And if we even dare going on to TikTok and searching up AI Fortnite videos, the amount of stuff that you're going to see that people are actually using this tactic, like, look at this, 99,000 likes on this AI Fortnite video. Eventually, it's going to get to a point where you can actually make AI Fortnite maps. Is that not insane? And that's possible with Versify very soon. But here we have dozens and dozens of videos of people. Here's my boy Advith here. This is what people are doing to actually promote their games. This is just an easier alternative. This is not a one-off fixed solution, because when you guys are making games, obviously you want to have authenticity and you want to be true to your very own self. You don't want to be having all this mumbo jumbo BS sometimes. You want to have a game that you're passionate about. You want to have pride and honor to the game. You don't want to just be making games for the sake of making games, because that's not going to do well. So from everything that we've covered so far, there's still one thing that you guys are missing. Can you guys guess it? Of course, it is your thumbnails. Probably the most important thing you can honestly do in your map creation journey, in your YouTube journey, because that is what the person is seeing to get interested, to actually want to click and play your game. So what can you actually do to not only make more money online making Fortnite maps, but also progress your map making journey? And that is with the software, my friend, Photopia. This is a free software like Photoshop, but not only is it even better, but you have custom pre-made templates for the actual sizing of a YouTube thumbnail, a Fortnite map thumbnail. This is what you guys want to be doing to make your thumbnails better. Like, for example, guys, if I go ahead and download this image here, and we go ahead and download it, and we go to the software, this is pretty much the lobby background image. Essentially what this is what he's using when you load up inside of Fortnite. But I want to show you guys how you guys can literally make it better. All you guys have to do is press Ctrl J, and you will have a duplicate version of the actual background. And then you guys can go ahead and actually turn up the brightness and the saturation of the image, which makes the thumbnail more appealing and more vibrant. So with thumbnails out of the way, marketing out of the way, promotion, personal branding, there's one thing that you're honestly missing, and that's your true self. What do you actually want to be creating inside of Fortnite? Because all you have to do is just take a little scroll, take a little gander. There's thousands and thousands of games making money right beneath your eyes. So I ask you this today. Before we part ways, what do you guys want to be creating? Because there's various ideas that you can have. There's only one execution, and that's taking action. So are you going to take action today and join Versify, join the Discord, join Fort Mafia to better yourself? And as well, are you going to apply everything that I've said to you today? Because realistically, all of this information is going to help you not only make better thumbnails, not only make better marketing choices, but it's going to allow you to actually build a better personal brand. Because when you have a personal brand tied to your own creations, people authoritate you for that specific thing. So you can expand and actually do things with your life, because nobody wants to have no respect in this world. Everybody wants respect, I promise you. Nobody wants to be a fish swimming with the sharks, just waiting to be eaten up. Nobody wants that. So I want you guys to really take account for what I've said to you today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Join Versify in the link in the description. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. Seriously guys, cannot thank you guys enough for sticking with me and the content. I know I have not posted in a week or two, but I'm back now, and I love you guys so much, man. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.